This is a quick demonstration of the program Zettel, which I just created. The first thing that we must do is start with opening or creating a database. In this case, I will open a database that I have previously created, but the process is the same if it's for initiating a new one. You can see here I already have something added there. The first thing that you want to do is to add a reference. In this case, I have an article here that I recently published that I want to tag something, copy some parts of it. So I'll come here, I'll click on the Add Reference button. I have to enter an ID, which will be the unique identifier that this reference will have in the whole database. So it cannot be duplicated and it cannot be edited once it's added. I will use my name and the date the article was published. Then for the reference, I will copy the title. So I'm marking it, Control C, and I come back to the field and I hit Control Z. I'll just remove these marks here that are the carriage returns that are not necessary. So these two fields are necessary. We have to fill them out, otherwise the program will complain. The next item is the file. It's just the file name. I have it open here, so I'm going to also copy, Control copy, Control V. I don't need the full path information. This is just so if later on I want to return to the file, I can find it quickly and I don't have to keep opening several different files to locate the one that I want to. So now I have my new file here. And the next thing I'm going to do is to add a few items to it, which are just quotes. Let's suppose that I want to use this paragraph here. And the only thing I have to do is, oops. Once again, I'm going to Control copy. I come here, I click on the add snippet, and then on the paste from clipboard, and automatically it is pasted here. It's interesting to add the page that we got. So in this case, it's page 2. I'm going to add the page reference here. And another thing we can do is add tags to it that I'm going to explain a little later in this demonstration. So let's get another one. Get something for the conclusion. Let's jump to the end. Here, the final paragraph. Let's get the whole thing. And once again, Control copy. I come and I add a reference and add a snippet, sorry, and paste from clipboard. I want to add the page number here, which is 7, and I'm going to also add a tag, which later I will explain. Notice that you don't have to worry about saving anything because the program does that automatically. So if I go back to the previous one that it is, and from the other article that I had already copied some stuff, it's all here. So so far so good. We have the items that we wanted to have. Now what do we do with this? Let's consider that I'm writing a document. I'm just opening a plain text editor, not a full-fledged word processor, just for the sake of simplicity. So let's say that I want to add this bit here to the document that I'm writing. So I come back here, I click on the desired snippet, I click on the copy to clipboard button, go back here and Control V, and that it is. I can repeat that for another one. Same thing, copy, Control V, and I would do that for all the things that I wanted to do. Please note that the tags are not copied here. Well, speaking about tags, what they are good for. If I click on this button here, the tag view, it will show all the tags that are included in the database, and under each tag, this is a tree, a hierarchical tree. I'll have the reference, and under the reference, the snippets. And every time I click on a snippet, it will be automatically placed here so I can check it out. And if I go back to the article I'm writing, I can just paste it here, which means that when I select something here on the tag view, it will automatically be copied to the clipboard. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed the program. Please let me know if you have any difficulties using it.